Hello, good day everyone. This is Tevs. Welcome back to this channel. We have a Devant 55 inches smart LED TV, model 55 UHD 201. It's turning on but no image appears on the screen. I will show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. No image is usually the panel or the timing control that is the problem, so let's go straight to the timing control. We will no longer measure the voltages. At the beginning of the video, we see a line on the upper part of the screen. This means we have a voltage at the timing control, and it is shutting down. Maybe many of you already know what is the problem. Yes, it's the panel CKV lines. We can identify which side has a defective CKV line by disconnecting one of the flat wires going to the panel. So let's try disconnecting first on this side. There is still no image. Let's reconnect the flat wire and try the other side. We now have an image on half of the screen. This side of the panel has a defective CKV line. The panel is 4K resolution, so it has 8 CKV signal lines. These are the 8 CKV traces. We have to disconnect all 8 CKV lines including LC1 and LC2. Let's locate the LC1 and LC2. The LC1 and LC2 lines are in here. We will use paper to block the 10 lines. Cut the paper to the right size. Let's place the paper between the flat wire and the contacts. The image is now fully displayed on the screen. There are fine lines on the screen. That is the result of disconnecting the CKV line. But let's try to resolve it. We can fix the fine lines by soldering all the 8 CKV lines together. The screen has been improved and is now better than before.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working great. Cutting CKV lines works because the panel gate driver on array that has a shorted has been disconnected, but the result is a fine line. We were able to remove it, but not completely. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can help this channel by liking and subscribing. Don't forget to ring the notification bell to keep you updated. Once again, this is Tevs. See you again next time. Bye for now.